Right, so let's discuss the structure of xylem. Okay. So it has the following elements. You have vessel elements right here. Okay. Then you have the parenchyma cells. Okay, na? Right here along the boundaries. Then you have tracheids. Okay, na? Right here. Okay. And then you have fibers. So we'll go over all of these in detail. So a xylem is a long continuous tube. ठीक है ना, and अंदर से it is hollow because no cytoplasm and no organelles and the cell walls are lignified and continuous cells, so there are no end walls between the cells that line the क्या कहते हैं ट्यूब. ठीक है ना, तो अंदर से वो hollow होती है और उसके along the lines जो ट्यूब जो cells लगे होते हैं उस ट्यूब के, उनकी कोई एंड वॉल्स नहीं होती, कोई साइटोप्लाज्म नहीं होता, कोई ऑर्गेनेलीज नहीं होती. And this is all to make room for more uninterrupted flow. ठीक है. And then there are lignified cell walls, which are rigid to provide protection as they do not have vacuoles to provide turgidity and can withstand the negative pressure, which helps them to proof themselves from water, first of all, so they don't absorb water, they don't get wet. ठीक है. And there are small cavities in the cell walls for lateral movement of water. ठीक है ना, क्योंकि एक straight line में नहीं move करता, branches में भी जाता है. So for that, pits are present. And here we have tracheids in more detail. See, yeah? So there are dead hollow cells, which basically which are mostly found in conifers. ठीक है ना, and इनकी structural खासियत ये होती है कि इनके जो lumens होते हैं ना tracheids के, they are much narrower than normal xylem vessel elements. ठीक है. So because they are much narrower the lumens, there is more capillarity. मतलब आपका जो कैपिलरी एक्शन है ना वो ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. ठीक है. एंड दे ऑल्सो हैव टेपरिंग एंड वॉल्स. ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से दे हैव मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ एंड दे आर मोर क्या कहते हैं रेजिस्टेंट टू प्रेशर. सो इसका एंड रिजल्ट ये होता है बेसिकली कि plants such as conifers जिसके अंदर ट्रेकियड्स होते हैं, they do not lose as much water as other normal plants because उनकी वैसे ही पानी की scarcity होती है.